So what are you going to do with the next $10 million that are going to be coming in? One of the reasons why people might not be moving as quickly as they want, even if they're already very successful, is because the reason is not quite big enough yet. Now let me explain. Because in order to ask the universe for more abundance, you want to know why you want that money, right? Okay, besides the really nice house you want to buy, and maybe you want to buy a boat, all these nice things that everyone wants, then what is the next level, right? What's the next level reason? Because if your reason is big enough, which might include serving the humanity, maybe you want to help children and women, you want to rescue animals, you want to save the environment. Once your reason is big enough, now your motivation is like it's going to amass the energy that you need to attract the next level abundance, right? Because maybe you're really comfortable at $1 million, but you could be making $10 million. So how do you go from here to there, the next level, right? Because maybe from $0 to $1 million, you were just trying to, okay, maybe have a nice home and have nice vacations and all these things that's a bit more basic. So then to grow to that next level wealth, then you need to have a bigger reason that's beyond yourself, right? That's going to be your profound personal purpose, your contribution to the world, right? There's sort of your personal purpose, your personal learning experience in this lifetime, but then there's also your purpose in relationship to the rest of the planet. So if you can find and tap into that greater reason, okay, you're going to find that abundance is going to come in very, very quickly. And the money paradigm course is going to help you understand how to find that bigger purpose, because we're not just going to be talking about money here, and of course money will be part of the conversation, but it's about why you want that money and why you want to create that level of wealth so that you can really assist the humanity on a global level. All right, and I hope to see you in class. Ciao.